Toyota Tundra has a check engine light on it. I'm going to show you a quick easy fix for an O2 sensor. I'm going to just replace both the before cat, which is the upstream, and after cat, which is the downstream, like so. These are super easy to get to, right underneath the truck. After the cat, two 12mm nuts. This comes right off, and a gasket and a plug. The sensor for the front actually mounts right up here in front of the catalytic converter. You can see it's just right above the power steering rack before the catalytic converter. Very easy to change out. 12mm nuts on both of these. Pull that out, disconnect your plug. New sensor goes right back in reverse order.